Today we're creating a New Year's Eve party invitation, so let's get started. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and select a template to work with. Once that's loaded, we'll start by updating the main text. Right here where it says join us for A, let's replace that with let's instead. Now for our main heading, instead of what's currently there, we're going to change it to Toast to the New Year. Perfect. That instantly sets the tone. Next up, let's delete the current image. We're going to swap this out in just a second. Now that the image is gone, let's move the rest of the text around a bit to create some breathing room. Spacing is everything in design, so don't rush this part. We'll adjust the spacing and tweak the text size until everything feels balanced. Now let's take all of this text and move it over to the left. We'll use the alignment tools here to make sure everything lines up cleanly. This gives the design a more intentional, polished look. All right, now for the fun part. Let's head over to Elements, then Illustrations, and find something that complements the design. This one will work great. We'll add it in and place it accordingly, making sure it doesn't overpower the text but still adds personality to the design. That ties everything together really well. And just like that, your design is looking clean, modern, and totally intentional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.